Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I put together this beachy coastal decor. And it started out as something totally different. Stick around! Welcome to my channel. This is JunkerNecker and my name is Leo. So I started off with this glass vase. I've had this for eons and I thought it looked a bit like a beehive or a bee's keep. Seen some really creative things with pots going around, so I was going to use this, thus the loop on the top. The twine that I'm using is a failed project. I was going to do a macrame planter hanger and it just didn't work out, so I'm just going to work with these strips and wrap it around and around this vase. You can see the shape of it. I thought it would be really cute for a beehive, and up until I got the top part or the bottom part wrapped, that's what it was going to be. But as my crafts often do, it morphed into something different. So I'm just gluing that twine and going around and around. Once I got it around the top to where it looked like a little cap, I glued the twine around the bottom part of it. Same thing, just gluing a dab of glue, wrap the twine around, another dab of glue, wrap some more. And just connect the next piece to that piece. At this point it kind of looks like a gumball machine even, but I thought it would be cute for a cloche or a beachy kind of apothecary jar. This is the Pinterest inspiration that I'm going by to turn it into that. So I took some floral foam and some skewers and just broke them down to varied lengths. Made sure that they wouldn't be too long, that they wouldn't go inside my cloche slash apothecary jar, whatever, gumball machine. So yeah, I just worked on that until I had all the pieces in there that I liked. Just like so. And it's looking like that. So then I gathered up some of my seashells to glue on the ends of those skewers, just like the inspiration piece. Well, not just like it, because it was inspired by, not supposed to look exactly like, you know what I mean. And there's how it turned out. I just added some onion grass in there to look like some seagrass. And I think it turned out really cute. Looks nothing like a bee's keep, but this will be great summer decor. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. Now here's a look of my piece beside the Pinterest inspired piece. Not bad for just some things I had laying around the house. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And while you're there, click on the bell. That way you won't miss out on any of my budget decor ideas. Thank you so much for watching today. Take care.